Earth, the only home we've ever known. A perfect size, a perfect balance, a perfect distance from the sun. But what if we changed just one thing? What if Earth shrank down to the size of Mars? Same distance from the sun, same people, same location in the solar system. Just smaller. Sounds simple. It's not. Because size changes everything: gravity, atmosphere, climate, and life itself. Today on FactLabs, we ask, what if Earth became Mars-sized? And the answer will make you see our planet like never before. Let's imagine Earth is instantly compressed to the size of Mars. Original Earth diameter 12.74 kilometers. Mass 5.97 x 10 kilograms. Gravity 9.8 meters. New Earth Marsi's diameter 6,779 kilometers. Mass just 11% of Earth gravity 3.7 meters squared. This means your weight drops by 2/3. A 60 kilograms person now feels like 22 kilograms. You can jump nearly 3x higher. Projectiles fly farther. Buildings can be taller, but your muscles and bones weaken over time. It might feel fun at first, but the party ends quickly. With only 11% of Earth's mass, gravity gets dramatically weaker. That means Earth can't hold on to a thick atmosphere. Here's what happens. Oxygen and nitrogen escape into space. Atmospheric pressure drops dangerously. Sky becomes thinner, darker. Almost alien. Breathing becomes a daily struggle. Ever worse. Without atmospheric pressure, water begins to boil away at lower temperatures. Rain becomes rare. Clouds vanish. And the beautiful blue sky turns pale and lifeless. Mars-sized Earth would have a smaller, weaker core, which means it likely can't generate a strong magnetic field. And without that field, solar wind from the sun begins stripping away the atmospheric. Deadly radiation floods the surface. Earth becomes vulnerable to cosmic rays. Just like Mars is today's, satellites would fry. Radiation sickness would rise. And stepping outside without protection, fatal. Now, let's talk water. Earth's gravity helps keep oceans on the surface. With weaker pull, more water molecules escape into space. Over time, oceans shrink, rivers and lakes evaporate, humidity drops, the entire water cycle breaks down, coastal areas dry out, rainforests become deserts, polar ice melts, then directly into space. What's left is a dry, cracked world, eerily similar to present-day Mars. Smaller. Earth equals less heat retention. That means nights get extremely cold, days become harshly hot, climate patterns break down, no more jet streams, no more monsoons, crops fail. Ecosystems collapse. The once blue planet becomes a harsh, dry wasteland with isolated microclimates and constant dust storms. Human civilization would be forced underground or into artificial shelters. The combined effects of thin atmosphere, radiation, and unstable climate would wipe out most surface life. Plants can't photosynthesize properly. Animals can't regulate body temperature. Insects, birds, mammals all struggle. Humans, we'd need oxygen tanks, pressurized shelters, underground bunkers with climate control, genetically modified crops, and constant radiation monitoring. In other words, we'd be living on Earth as if it were already Mars. Sure, you could dunk a basketball from across the court. Yes, buildings could rise higher with less stress on foundations. And yes, flying machines would use less energy. But your bones would weaken, muscles shrink, heart functions degrade, blood circulation struggles in low gravity, and long-term survival would require artificial gravity chambers. Even your biology isn't made for this small of a world. So, what if Earth was the size of Mars? We'd weigh less, but life would be heavier than ever. The skies would fade, the oceans would vanish, and the miracle of life would shrink almost to extinction. Size isn't just a number, it's the reason we're alive. This is FactLabs, where we take you beyond the edges of science and imagination. Subscribe for more deep space questions, shocking science, and the secrets of the universe, because one small change can unravel everything.